Hello, everyone. Welcome back here. My name's Scott, and I'm happy you're back. I'm happy I'm back. Today, everyone, I want to talk about some grammar again. I've been doing a lot of grammar recently because I think grammar is important. Even if you don't like it, it is important. So I just want to keep things, that's what my focus is, really to keep things simple. Because the last thing I want to do is confuse you. So I try to keep all my grammar things simple, concise, to the point. And I just want to work on some basics for the active and the passive. So that's what I'm going to do today. So DIY, if you can do it yourself and do things yourself at home, in the garden, in the yard, if you have a yard. DIY, that'll be an active if you're doing it yourself. So, for example, I painted my house, or I fixed the bathroom, or I installed an air conditioner. So you have the subject of I and the verb and what I had done. So I fixed the sink. I fixed the bathroom faucet. If you're not familiar with vocabulary, also please check the dictionary, but also it's translated here as well. But I can just give you an image hint for the faucet, okay? Sink, turn, water, faucet. Okay, that's my image as a clue for you. That's going to be in the active, and that's going to be a DIY situation. Now, you can't do everything yourself. So in that case, you have to have somebody do it for you, like a plumber to fix the pipes or the sink or the toilet, or an electrician to fix the lights or the circuits. Mechanic will repair your car for you. Just some three professions there, people that do those types of things. So when you do it, the English that way, of having it done for you, so you can't say I installed an air conditioner. So in that case, I'm going to put in the past tense here because I installed is in the past tense. So I had an air conditioner installed, and the key there is had. I had in the past tense, but have or had. So have something done. I had an air conditioner installed. I had my bathroom faucet fixed. I had my house painted. Notice the change there as well. Now, I painted becomes at the end in a past participle as well. So to have something done is a past participle. So I had my bathroom faucet repaired. Now these cases here, the past tense and the past participle are the same. Fixed, repaired, installed. But have something done in that case. I did it, I had it done. I put it in the past participle. Okay, everyone? So to have something done. Now you could also do it not just for DIY, but other things as well. Now maybe you're not able to pull out a tooth by yourself. If you can, all the power to you. It might be painful. So in that case, the dentist is going to do it for you, correct? So I'm also going to use the verb got. So I can use got or had. So I got a tooth pulled out. Extracted as well has the same meaning. I got a tooth pulled out. I had a tooth extracted. Cut. I had my hair cut. Or I got my hair cut. Or I got a haircut as well. Massage. Now you have a massage chair, you kind of do it yourself that way, but the chair does it for you. But if you go to a person who does that kind of work, so I got a massage, or I had a massage, in that case I just have and or got as the had or got as the verbs only. So in that sense, the noun only massage. I got a massage or I had a massage, which means that somebody did it for me. I couldn't do it myself, especially my back. So I had a massage or I got a massage. I had my hair cut, I got a haircut. I could use either case in a verb, I got my hair cut, or a noun, I got a haircut. A haircut there is a compound noun. So both possible. Difference would be haircut and the noun is one word, haircut, the verb and noun, that case would be two words. Okay? Let me give you an example. I'm going to change the grammar a little bit here as well. So the restaurant, one of my favorite restaurants, for example, is closed for a month. Closed, why? Because it's being remodeled. Now that's going to be in the present continuous form. Still, it's being done. Now it's happening now, so I'll put it in the present continuous. The restaurant is closed for a month because it's being remodeled. Now I can also change this. The restaurant is closing for a month for remodeling. Remodeling here is a gerund, which is a noun in this case. So the restaurant is closed for a month because it's being remodeled, or the restaurant is closed for a month for, no because here, for remodeling. They're both fine to use. My focus was on the active and passive, but there's also different ways you can say things and put things together. Okay, everybody, to keep it simple, if it's going to be the active, I plus the verb plus the object or so, and if it's going to be the passive, I, well, it doesn't have to be I, but anyways, have, past tense, had, and then the past participle as well. So I had my house painted. DIY, I painted it myself. I painted it myself. Myself is a reflexive pronoun. That's also good for grammar on this channel, so that's going to be coming up in the near future as well. That's it for today, though, on active and passive. Any questions or comments, please do ask below. And we are looking forward to seeing you back here again soon. Until then, everybody keep studying hard. Have a great day, and good luck with the heat if you're watching this summer. Thanks for watching.